This is TECNO Pop 7, and today I will show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first step is to find and launch the calendar app. Here it is. Then grant it with all the necessary permissions. Onwards, enter or select the date you would like to set your event on. Hit this plus icon at the bottom right corner of your display, and then fill out all the event details such as its name, location, time frames, repetitiveness, reminders, calendar account that this event will be saved to, the time zone. Then hit this check icon to save, and here you have it. Once you will open the respective date of this event, it will be shown right over here. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.